Your home is about to transform, not tomorrow, not next month, but right now with strategies that cost absolutely nothing. What you're about to discover will change the way your entire household operates. These aren't complicated methods. These aren't expensive solutions. These are simple, practical systems that seniors and busy families have been using for years to maintain organized, peaceful living spaces. The best part? Every single one of these organization hacks uses items you probably already own or can find for just a few dollars. If you're ready to create a home that actually works for you instead of against you, then stick around and make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. We drop new organization and cleaning tips every single week that will save you time, money, and headaches. Organization hack number 1, the pillowcase storage method. Let's start with something simple but incredibly effective. Your linen closet can look like a boutique hotel or it can look like chaos. The choice is entirely yours. Here's the method that actually works. Take all your matching sheets, fold them neatly, and place them directly inside the matching pillowcase. Then store that entire bundle in your linen closet standing upright. This single method accomplishes 3 important things at once. First, you know exactly which sheets go together because they're stored as a set. Second, your linen closet looks organized and intentional. Third, when you need fresh linens, you grab one bundle instead of hunting around for a matching fitted sheet and flat sheet separately. This works exceptionally well for households that have multiple bed sizes. Queen sheets stay with queen pillowcases. Twin sheets bundle together separately. King-sized linens maintain their sets. Everything is visible at a glance, and pulling out fresh sheets becomes a 1-second task instead of a 10-minute treasure hunt. Organization hack number 2, strategic basket placement throughout your home. Baskets serve a purpose that goes far beyond simply looking decorative. They are functional tools that solve real problems in your living space. You can place them in every room of your home, and they'll serve different purposes in each location. In bedrooms, baskets hold extra blankets, throws, and seasonal bedding. In living rooms, they contain remote controls, magazines, and entertainment items. In hallways, they become catch-all stations for items that need to move to different rooms, things that belong upstairs, items destined for donation, or belongings that family members have left scattered around. The beauty of this system is that baskets look intentional and organized. They're not eyesores. They actually enhance your decor while solving the eternal problem of where does this belong? Baskets also teach household members to redirect their own items. Instead of leaving things on counters or floors, people naturally place them in the designated basket for later redistribution. Organization hack number 3, the decluttering principle before organizing. This is the most important principle, and it comes before any other organizing method you'll learn. Never, ever organize items that you don't want, don't need, don't love, and don't use. This includes things you keep just in case or because you feel obligated. Many people skip this step and go straight to buying organizational supplies. They create beautiful systems for things they don't actually want in their homes. This is inefficient and wasteful. The correct sequence is always declutter first, then organize what remains. Ask yourself honest questions about every item. Do you use this regularly? Does it bring you joy? Is it functional in your current life? If the answer is no to these questions, the item deserves to go, not get organized. This principle saves money because you're not purchasing organizational supplies for things you'll eventually discard anyway. It also saves your sanity because you're only managing items that genuinely belong in your life.
Organization hack number 4, the permanent donation station system. Create a dedicated donation container somewhere in your home, a basket, bag, or bin, whichever works best with your space. The most effective placement is inside closets, particularly bedroom closets. This is where people try things on, where they encounter items daily, and where decisions happen naturally. When you try on clothing and it doesn't fit right or doesn't appeal to you anymore, place it directly in the donation container. When you find items throughout your home that no longer serve you, drop them in. This ongoing system means you're continuously clearing out unnecessary items rather than hoarding things for years. The donation container isn't meant to sit forever. When it fills up, you take it to your local donation center. This creates a sustainable cycle: assess, collect, donate, repeat. Households with children benefit especially from this system because kids outgrow clothes, toys, and equipment constantly. Having an accessible donation station makes it easy for them to participate in keeping their own spaces organized. Organization hack number 5: decorative trays for visual organization. Trays are underestimated organization tools that solve visual clutter problems beautifully. These aren't just for decorative purposes. Trays actually group items together in a cohesive way that makes spaces look intentional and curated. Bathrooms benefit tremendously from this method. Instead of having bottles, containers, and personal care items scattered across countertops, group them on a tray. Everything stays contained, accessible, and visually organized. Kitchen counters also improve dramatically with strategic tray placement. Your outgoing mail, incoming mail, car keys, and everyday items can sit on a tray together instead of creating visual chaos. Dining tables that accumulate random items look immediately better when those items sit on a tray. Nightstands become more peaceful when nighttime essentials are contained together. Shelving units in any room look more sophisticated when items are arranged on trays rather than scattered individually. This method adds a layer of intentional design to your space while keeping things functional and accessible. Organization hack number 6: behind-the-door shoe organizers for everything. The space behind doors in your home is precious real estate that most people completely ignore. Over-the-door shoe organizers are inexpensive and work for far more than just shoes. Use them on bedroom doors for shoes, naturally, but also for accessories. Use them on laundry room doors for storing cleaning supplies, organizing items by category and type. Use them in craft rooms for art supplies, organizing different materials in separate pockets. Use them in kids' rooms for storing toys, books, and belongings. Use them in bathrooms for personal care items and medications that need organization. The behind-the-door space is accessible, visible, and typically wasted in most homes. This simple organizing solution maximizes vertical space without requiring wall installation or permanent modifications. It's affordable, adaptable to any room, and remarkably effective at creating order where chaos previously existed. Organization hack number 7: mastering file folding for maximum drawer space. File folding represents a fundamental shift in how you organize clothing and linens in drawers. Instead of stacking items on top of each other, you fold them in a way that allows them to stand up upright, file style, in your drawer. This method accomplishes multiple goals. You dramatically increase the number of items you can fit in a single drawer. You can see every single item at a glance, no buried items at the bottom. You don't have to move 5 shirts to find the one you want. Everything is visible and accessible immediately. Once you learn file folding, you'll wonder how you ever managed your closet differently. Drawers look intentional. Items remain easily accessible. The organization system practically maintains itself because you can immediately see where something belongs. This method works for shirts, shorts, pants, sweaters, and most clothing items.
Organization hack number 8: making children independent through accessible kitchen storage. When children can reach their own dishes, cups, plates, and snack items independently, they become more self-sufficient. Store these items on lower shelves that are within your children's reach. This empowers them to get their own snacks without requiring your assistance. This isn't about giving children unlimited access to all snacks and food. Rather, it's about strategic placement of specific items in specific containers that you've already approved. When a child asks for a snack, you can direct them to grab their own bowl or plate. They select what they want from approved options, and they learn independence and self-service skills. This system also reduces the number of times you're interrupted during your day for simple requests. Children develop responsibility and confidence. They participate in maintaining their own comfort and needs. For seniors in multi-generational households, this reduces physical demands throughout the day. Organization hack number 9. Rotating Lazy Susan platforms for accessibility. Lazy Susans transform hard-to-reach spaces into highly accessible storage areas. These rotating platforms work in corners where you can't easily see items. They function beautifully on high shelves where reaching is difficult. They're perfect for refrigerator shelves where access is awkward. Place a Lazy Susan in your pantry on a high shelf, and suddenly you can access items that were previously unreachable without moving other things. Use them in bathroom cabinets to organize cleaning supplies and personal care items. Refrigerator shelves become more functional when condiments and bottles rotate toward you with a simple turn. The key consideration is measuring your space accurately before purchasing. Lazy Susans come in various sizes, from very small to quite large. Taking measurements prevents the frustration of purchasing something that doesn't fit your space. Once properly sized, Lazy Susans become indispensable organizing tools throughout your home.
Organization hack number 10. Maximizing your garage as valuable living space. Your garage is not a dumping ground or a storage disaster waiting to happen. It's an actual room in your home that deserves organization and attention. For most households, the garage is the entry and exit point for your home every single day. Making it pleasant and organized improves your daily experience. Garages contain items you don't use daily but don't want to discard. Seasonal decorations, specialized equipment, rarely used tools, and similar items belong in an organized garage rather than crowding your main living space. When you organize your garage properly, you're essentially creating additional usable space in your home. An organized garage looks intentional and clean. It functions as an extension of your home rather than a neglected space. Tools are accessible when needed, seasonal items are easy to locate, items that belong in the garage are stored there, not scattered throughout your living areas. Organization hack number 11. The category grouping method for pantries. Group similar items together in your pantry. All cereals together. All canned goods grouped by type. All baking ingredients in one section. All snacks organized together. This method makes shopping easier because you can see what you have at a glance. When you go to cook something, you know exactly where ingredients are located. You don't waste time hunting through your pantry for items. Family members can find things without asking where they are. This system is simple but remarkably effective at maintaining pantry organization. Organization hack number 12. Drawer dividers for utensil and accessory organization. Drawer dividers transform chaotic junk drawers into organized systems. Use dividers to create sections for different types of items. Kitchen drawers stay organized with dividers separating utensils. Bedroom drawers remain organized with dividers for different clothing items or accessories. This creates visual order that makes spaces look intentional. Items don't shift around and mix together. Finding what you need happens immediately without searching through chaos. Drawer dividers are inexpensive and create dramatic improvements in organization. These 12 organization hacks will transform the way your home functions. Each one is simple to implement. Each one delivers real results. Each one costs little to nothing. Your home doesn't have to be cluttered or chaotic. It doesn't require expensive professional organizers or elaborate systems. It requires commitment to these basic principles and consistent follow-through. Your living space can be peaceful, organized, and beautiful. If these tips helped you today, please leave a comment telling us which organization hack you're trying first. Share this video with someone who needs these strategies. Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for new organization and cleaning tips every single week. We appreciate you being part of our community. Your support means everything to us. We'll see you next time with more practical solutions that make your life easier.